You do not want to buy by yourself for 1688. This is what you can do. You can copy the links of the products of that particular product you want to buy and send to your procurement agent to buy for you. That's if you don't want to stress yourself on 1688. Just copy the links of the particular product you want. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can achieve that, and if you're confused in any way as you go along it, just let me know in the comment section and I'll reply. Okay, my name is Blessing and I'm talking to you from the city of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I talk about mini importation, money making and personal development. Now let's go straight ahead. Now click on your 1688 app. I'll click on mine. Let it load. Okay, now once it loads and open, you search. That's sourcing. You search. Once you're on this very page, once you have picked this bag that you want to buy this bag, okay, before you now click on the link to copy the link and send to your procurement agent, please do your checks. Do your due diligence first. Check everything you need to check. I've done a video on what to look out for before you buy from a supplier. Please go check up on that video. Look at it very well. You will learn everything you need to know before you buy from a particular supplier. So know all of that. Do all of those checks before you click on the link and copy it. Because when you send this link to your procurement agent, he or she will assume that you have done your checks. And so he's just going to go ahead and buy. He's not going to come and start doing checks for you and start finding out whether the supplier is a good supplier to buy from. He'll just go ahead and buy. And then you start having issues. So please do your checks before you click on the link and send to your procurement agents. Okay, now this is how we're going to click on the link. This is the link here. You come straight here. This is the link here. The link is what you see, the words you see, whether in Chinese or it has been translated into English, what you see right after the first picture. So what you see written down there is the link to the products. Okay, now what you do, you click on it. Once I click on it now, a squared box will come up. It shows that I have copied it. Once that square box shows up, it shows that I have copied the link. Let's go, guys. So now I'll click on these words here and then press on it. Have you seen the box? Now it shows that I have copied the link. So this box can show either up or down. So once it shows, just know that you have copied the link. Now I'll be going straight to my WhatsApp. So you can save this link on your WhatsApp or on your notepad where you can easily get it. So once I save it there, I will now, let's go to my WhatsApp. Let's save it on my WhatsApp. Okay, go to WhatsApp, go to where I usually save things like this. Okay, so I come here, I save it. Right, I just click on my message part and paste. So I have saved this. Right, so once I save this now, under this my link, I will now start putting things like, okay, I need like if the bag is like the bag has different colors and you want them in different colors, you write, I want this bag, black bag, 5 pieces. You signify it 5 pieces. Okay, you come down again, yellow color, the yellow color, the yellow bag, maybe 5 pieces. Right, you come down again. If you still want the red color, red bag, 5 pieces. Right, so you state all of these before you now send everything. Everything will be under the link before you now send everything to your supplier. So if you still want to your procurement agent, if you still want to send another thing, you copy the link again. So this will now be under this link. So when you send the link and the messages under it, like, okay, I can just do something like this. Let me click on the link here, paste it, right? Then I come under it directly before I send it. I just say bag black color bag, 5 pieces, right? 5 pieces. I come down again. Red color bag, 6 pieces, right? I come down again. I write yellow color. Sorry, yellow color. Yellow color, 5 pieces, right? So when you do this, if you still want another thing, once you have done this, you just send it to the person. So the person will know that, okay, for this link, this is what you want. You want under this link. So when he clicks to the on this link and it takes him to the site, he will now help you get black color 5 pieces, red color 6 pieces, yellow color 5 pieces of this very bag. Now let's go back again. If you want another thing, all you need to do is just go back to your 1688. Go back to your 1688, right? Just go back and click on something else. Okay, maybe you want to buy this blue jean color shoe. You just click on it. It will take you to the. So once you're here, you just come up, click on the link again. Okay, it has copied. Now you go to your WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp again, and then click paste it there. You see the paste? You click on paste. Now once it has pasted, you now go ahead and you make space. You make for space. Now the shoe, if that shoe has size 40, size whatever the sizes it has, you just come here and put size 42. Size 42. Color blue, 5 pieces, right? You enter again. Size 39. Color black, 6 pieces, right? You enter again. Size 40. Size 40, color blue, 10 pieces, right? Once you do this like this, it is well explanatory. So once he or she gets to the site, he will know what to do, right? So you send it like this. So once he sees this link, he knows that under this link, I'm supposed to buy size 42, color blue, 5 pieces. Size 39, color black, 6 pieces. Size 40, color blue, 10 pieces. So this is how you bring your link. Under that link, you put you put in detail what you want the person to buy for you. Okay, you explain what you want the procurement agent to buy for you. And once you're done with all the things you want to buy, this is how you be putting them together on your WhatsApp or on your notepad. Once you're done with that, you now gather everything together and forward to your procurement agent. Okay, so once you have done that, the procurement agent will now take it from there and now buy your goods. You send your location, that is your address. So the procurement agent will add your address on the link on the site while he's buying, so that the China suppliers or the Chinese suppliers will now forward your goods to that address, so that you can receive your goods in your home country. Okay, so this is all you have to do. If you don't want to buy by yourself on the 1688 app, you just do your checks, send the links to your procurement agent, and they will buy your goods for you and send to you. Okay, so this is all I have for you for this video. So in our subsequent videos, we're going to also be learning how to change the yuan, that is the RMB, the Chinese currency, into our Nigerian currency, into our own currency, so that as you're on the site, once you see the yuan currency, you see how much you see how much the product you want to buy is in yuan, because yuan is a currency, or RMB is a currency they use in Chinese. So once you see the price in yuan, you will also see it in our own naira, either in Nigerian currency or in Ghana currency. So I'll show us how we're going to achieve that in another video. Okay, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and please make a comment. Tell me what is it you understand or you're confused about, and I'll reply. Okay, thank you so much. Do have a good day. Bye for now.